Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get secret RobTop Cube icon in Geometry Dash. So here is a step-by-step process. Step number 1 is to launch the Geometry Dash and tap on the large blue play button to access the level selection menu. Step number 2 is scroll to the right past the main levels until you find the tower. Tap on the tower to enter the platformer mode area. Step number 3 is look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a small glowing purple skull icon, so just tap on it to enter the secret vault. Step number 4 is a dark spirit known as the Wraith will appear, so just tap on the text box at the bottom to bring up your keyboard. And for step number 5 is to type the secret code, so GD Awards into the text box and press the enter or check button to confirm. And lastly is the wraith will disappear and a reward screen will pop up showing you that you have unlocked the Cube 485. This is the official RobTop icon. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!